to my YouTube channel. So today I have come up with you to share one important free AI assistant tool, or I would say agentic coding tool for your daily usage. If you want to use for your alternative of cloud, or you can say the GitHub Copilot or OpenAI. So I have found out the beautiful tool which is a free of cost, and it will not take more than 1 minute to install in your system. So get ready for it. So first of all, for I will do it for the Windows. You can also do the same for your Mac or Linux as well. Okay, so that's not a difference. So first of all, you need to install the Node.js. So this is the official website of Node.js. Okay, so I have chosen my operating system. You can choose any of your operating system. Okay, so what I will do, I will download the MSI installer. So here you can install for your Mac, Linux, or any other operating system. For me, it is a Windows. So I will use a Windows installer and I will download it. And once it is downloaded, you can just do next for the install. Yeah. So this is next for the install. Once you are done with it, so Node is done. Now, second important thing is you have. This is what I am trying to show you the secret how you can use your agentic coding tool like Cloud Code or OpenAI as a free of cost. So this is alternative to Cloud Code and OpenAI. So it is a free buff. So it is like a free coding agent. And how can you install it? You can simply you need to simply fire this command after installing the Node.js in your system. npm install -g free buff. Okay. So what I will do, I will copy this command. You need to go to freebuff.com, copy this command, and I will go to any of the folders. If, for example, this is my folder. Okay. And I need to download this npm install -g freebuff. Just give a hit. So it will try to install this free buff in your machine. Once it is done, then yes, you are now the boss of your cloud code, or you can say open AI, Opus, or whatever. Behind the scene, it will use the DeepSeek V Pro Plus model, which is very super fast. Let me first take you to the look how it looks like. So I will type now free BUF. Okay. So if you are doing it first time, then it will try to authenticate your account through GitHub website. Okay. If you have GitHub account, it will try to do it. So first, we get it authenticated from GitHub, and once it is done, then please feel free to close the GitHub and just type a free buff in your command line, and it will open up. So hooray, you can see here I have two model. One is a DeepSeek V4 Flash, and second is Nemo multimodal. Okay, let me take both of them. So I will enter yes. So now what will happen? Here you can see my directory is AI Project Spark, and here it is giving me 1 of 5 sessions. So what does it mean? It means that it in 24-hour time it provides us the 5 session free, each session 1 hour. That means whatever your compute time is taking. Okay, so up to 1 hour it is free. So once it is done, then second session will start, then 1 hour. So total 5 hour free compute is this is the feature of this free buff. And this is what fantastic I felt it. So let me type something. Hey, can you draft uh, path from beginner to pro to be Agentic AI engineer in 2026. I am Python PySpark developer with 8 years experience. Make your response as professional Markdown file. Make detailed syllabus in Markdown. Okay, so I ask the simple three line of instruction to Freebuff, and this is using the model as a DeepSeek Flash Pro. So you can see it has inbuilt a research ability. In the sense, this is behind the scene. It is doing the research. In the sense, web search. It will do the web search based on the instruction, and it will. I ask them to create the Markdown file. Okay, so it will beautifully create the Markdown file for Agentic AI Engineer roadmap along with syllabus in Markdown form. Let's wait once it is done. So meanwhile, I will walk you through this website. So here, if you see, this is a GitHub. Okay. So in this GitHub, you can see there are 6.3 starred repo is there. So what does it mean? It is competing the cloud code in term of these specialized projects. So I have used it for a past 2 months, 2 weeks, and I found it is super useful. And you can see it is just a one-liner code you need to write down, and provided that you have installed the Node.js, and once it is done, yes, you are the good to go. The beautiful thing is it has the agentic capabilities to do the web search, web research. Okay, compile the context, fix your code, or create the end-to-end projects. So this is what the beauty of this free buff is that. So let us take you through these things. Okay. So now I think it has done 50% of the task. It has done the research, web research. It has done it. Now it is uh, it is trying to create the Markdown file, which is for me it is super important. So it has beautifully you can see splitted the task, like it will not do the simple chatbot kind of things which ChatGPT or Cloud Code is doing. Instead, what it will do, it will act as a objective what user wants. So I asked him that I'm the PySpark data engineer, Python PySpark. I'm good with. Right? Your task is to create agentic AI roadmap from zero to hero. Okay, so it will now search in the backend like what topics are required, what my skill sets are there, and what would be the roadmap in order to accomplish this task. And after it, the response should be markdown form. Okay, so here you can see there is a one bar called working dot, and it is showing that it has completed 3 minutes 10 seconds 11. So timer is also mentioned over there. So it takes like how much time it is taking. So this time you can get like 1 hour per session, and you will get a 5 session per day. So that means 5 hour complete. This is more than enough. So here you can see it has already created this agentic AI engineer roadmap 2026. Wow. So this is what makes me startle, like how on the earth this kind of agentic capability, agentic coding tool is free of cost. Let me go through this website. Let me go through this folder. So what I will do, I will go to this guy. Uh, where is it? It is in D drive, AI projects, Spark. Okay, yeah. So this is what agentic AI roadmap. So let me open up. So you can see this is a beautifully markdown file it has generated. Okay, so it has given the table of the content. See, this is what the agentic capabilities. I'm pretty much impressed by this Freebuff tool, and it has mentioned like what is the agentic AI engineer, like what would be the main capabilities that any agentic engineer has to know. What is a hot topic in 2026, like MCP, then agentic framework like AutoGen, LangGraph for QA. Guardrail observability. This is too much, very much important in 2026, 2027 in upcoming system. And since I'm the PySpark developer. Okay, so what it will transfer from my current state to upcoming state, that the mindset, like how my mindset will be changing from PySpark pipeline to agentic pipeline. Like in PySpark, in what is happening, like a map filters and reviews. So in agentic pipeline, it will be like agent tool, LLM, root, and agent. Okay, so this is what beautifully it has crafted me along with this topic. So now, if I want to do another research, what I can do, I can again give this Markdown as an input file, and I can create the end-to-end projects with this tool. So I hope this tool would be very, very useful to you. Of course, it is definitely a game changer for me. And the beautiful part is it is free of cost, so anybody can use this tool as a free of cost. Okay, I'm not sure up to when it would be free, but yeah, as on today, as on like 10th June 2026, it is a free. So maybe after a few months or so, they may charge subscribing uh, fee as well. But so far, what they claim are like they are getting the earning income from this ads. You can see this is an ad. So this ad is populating, and this is collecting the data. So whatever we give input, they are collecting the data. Probably they would be training somewhat some more of capable system. But anyway, for our usage, it is a free. So yeah, feel free to explore this tool. It's a beautiful agentic coding tool. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.